Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your ultimate destination for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we've got an exciting piece of tech on our hands, the EarlyLit Hot-Swappable Mechanical Keyboard. Let's dive right in and explore what makes this keyboard a standout choice for gamers and professionals alike. First off, let's talk about design and functionality. The EarlyLit keyboard features a compact 98 keys layout, saving you a significant amount of desk space without compromising on essential features like the numeric pad. This means more room for your mouse movements during intense gaming sessions or productivity tasks. But what sets this keyboard apart is its hot-swappable red switches, coupled with a quiet gasket design. Whether you're gaming late into the night or typing away in a busy office, the smooth and quiet keystrokes ensure minimal disturbance to those around you. Now, let's talk about customization. The EarlyLit keyboard boasts customizable RGB lighting with up to 9 colors and 20 modes, including dynamic effects like streamer and horse racing. With 16.8 million colors and adjustable brightness levels, you can truly personalize your gaming setup to match your style. Plus, with the included software, you can fine-tune every aspect of the lighting effects to create the perfect ambience for your gaming or work environment. Comfort is key when it comes to marathon gaming sessions or long hours of typing. That's why the EarlyLit keyboard is designed with ergonomic details in mind. The scientific stare-up keycap design ensures that your arms remain in a natural position, reducing fatigue over extended use. Additionally, the adjustable kickstands offer 3 typing angles to suit your preference, while the U-shaped PBT keycaps provide a tactile feel and resistance to sweat for enhanced durability. Now, let's talk compatibility. The EarlyLit keyboard is not only compatible with Windows systems but also supports macOS, making it a versatile option for users across different platforms. With its USB-C connectivity, you can easily connect the keyboard to your PC, laptop, gaming console, or even Xbox, ensuring seamless integration into your setup. In conclusion, the EarlyLit Hot-Swappable Mechanical Keyboard offers a compelling combination of performance, customization, and comfort. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a busy professional, or someone in between, this keyboard has something to offer for everyone. That wraps up our review of the EarlyLit Mechanical Keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, happy typing and gaming!